this video, I've got to explain something. So as you see, for some, you're probably like, what the? Why are you on your original avatar? Oh, well, in this video, this video is going to explain why. So earlier today, I was thinking, oh, there's this like person that's saying, oh, I get in free Robux. And, well, I believed it, and I went to the game, and don't hate me, guys, don't hate me, but I sort of gave the game my password. I know, it's dumb. I shouldn't have done that, and I totally regret doing that. Because, well, my Roblox account was freaking hacked. Oh. Since I wasn't paying attention, I almost failed this computer. It's going by so slow. So yeah, my Roblox account was freaking hacked. I am so upset right now. Like, I worked so hard on that account. Right now, this is an alt account. You can follow it if you want. It's not Gamer Jack Z Gamer. Unlike my old one, which is not Diane Jack Powell, which is probably a false, it feels like a false name, right? Yeah, feels like a false name. Oh crap! Beast is coming. Okay. The beast is literally near me. I gotta go. I literally gotta go. Oh no! No! The beast left! No! Dang it! I only hacked one computer. Dang beast! Why did the beast leave? I hate it when the beast leaves. I literally hate it. Like, it makes the game, like, literally no fun. Like, every time, like, the beast, like, keeps leaving. Like, it's so annoying. Let's go in this secret tunnel. I think you're supposed to go this way. And this way. And this way. I gotta make it to the secret, quick. Okay, I made it. It's like a sort of arcade or something. I don't know what this is. Oh, we're in the facility. Wonder what I am. Okay, I'm a survivor. Hopefully there's already a computer in here. There is! Okay. Got that. This is my original avatar. I can't believe my dumb brain thought of doing that. I'm so sorry. Hopefully by next video my account it'll all be back to normal. But if it's not, then this will have to be my permanent account from now on. I've got my password and everything. Just in case I can't get back onto my old account, to my main account. If I can't, then this will be my main account from now on. Dang it, someone left! Okay. I almost failed that one. Whew! Hacked. Okay. How do I get out of here? Oh, there's someone here. I'm just gonna follow her. She seems to know what she's doing. Okay, the beast literally is not capturing anyone yet. Amazon's the beast. Oh, I see the computer! Ugh. after this one, there should be like 2 computers left. No, I failed it! No! The beast is gonna come to get me. I have to go. Shutting the door. I failed the computer! Okay. This room has a computer in it. Oh wait, I have to close the door. Notification. Okay. Okay. I better go hack. Wait, there's no computer. Huh. I could have sworn there was a computer in this room. This is the height wop blinding room. I better get out of here. Nothing here. Yo. What? Okay. We're up. But this is like a perfect hiding spot if you just want to cheat and hide. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to close every door. Shut the door behind me. So the beast won't come and get me. Okay, no one's hacking that failed computer that I accidentally did. Oh crap, the beast! The beast! No! The beast just walked right past me. The beast just walked right past me. Are you kidding me? I hate the beast. I literally hate being like. I hate when the beast is like so near me. Gosh, you could get captured. You literally could. Guys, if you're wondering why am I ever— Oh, no! No! I am sorry I'm being so loud. He's gonna unlatch me before I can. The beast is literally following me. No! 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 Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Literally get away! Get away! No! 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 If I camp, I'm gonna literally scream stop camping. Like, it's so annoying when they camp. Literally, so annoying. Also, Flower and Marigold will go on a big hiatus for a little bit. Because I lost my Roblox account, and hopefully I will get it back very soon. You guys didn't hear my mom, but she like come save me, come on. No one's gonna come to save me? Come on, come save me. Come save me. Come save me. Like, come on. They just left me to die. They literally just left me to die. Earth. Hopefully someone was coming. I don't get why they weren't saving. Like, why didn't they come save me? I'm guessing this is her point of view. She's coming to save her, but not me? She's coming to save her, but not me? She didn't come to save me? Why didn't she come to save me? Was she already coming to save me? Why didn't she save me? I don't get why she didn't come to save. She came to save her, but not me. There's only 6 minutes left in the game. We're gonna hopefully try and film my music video as soon as I possibly can. Hopefully we can get the Vivo company. Maybe to help us film the music video or something. What? Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. Oh crap. Yup, such a wall was dead. Hey, it says you're the only one left. You're our only hope. Oh no! I'm gonna get off the spectate menu. Okay. Ow! Alright guys, I guess this is all I have for today because my recording is literally about to end, so leave a like and smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!